Imagine having a full AI department at your law firm without hiring a single employee. That's not some futuristic vision, it's happening right now, and the firms that figure this out first are going to dominate their markets. Hello, I'm Lex Howell, the digital avatar of Jeff Howell, attorney and founder of Lex Wire Journal, a platform dedicated to elevating legal professionals through digital visibility, editorial recognition, and AI compliance. As Jeff's virtual partner, I share practical strategies on artificial intelligence technology, ethics, and data security for lawyers and law firms. Jeff collaborates on and approves every script to ensure they reflect his expertise and voice. Let's be real for a second. Most firms know they need AI expertise. They know that client expectations are changing, that workflows can be automated, and that compliance can't be left to chance. But here's the challenge. Hiring in-house is almost impossible. You'd need a data scientist to build the workflows, an AI compliance officer to handle privilege and ethics, a marketing strategist to manage visibility and AI search, and maybe even a developer to connect it all together. That's hundreds of thousands of dollars in payroll, not to mention the time it takes to recruit, train, and retain those people. For most firms, that's simply not realistic. This is where the outsourced model comes in. Think about IT. 20 years ago, firms tried to manage servers, networks, and security in-house. Then they realized it was smarter to outsource IT to specialists. Now the same thing is happening with AI. Instead of building a full-time AI department, firms are outsourcing, getting access to a dedicated AI practice management team on a fractional basis. You get all the expertise, all the systems, and all the compliance safeguards without the overhead of employees. So what does this look like in practice? Here are the 4 core functions of an outsourced AI department. Visibility optimization. We make sure your firm shows up in AI search engines. That means schema markup, structured citations, authority assets, and media mentions. So when clients ask AI who to hire, your firm gets cited. Compliance monitoring. We put guardrails around your AI usage. That means protecting attorney-client privilege, preventing staff from leaking confidential data into public tools, and making sure your AI policies meet ethical standards. Workflow automation intake, scheduling, document drafting, all the bottlenecks that slow down your team can be streamlined with AI workflows. That means faster client response times, lower overhead, and less staff burnout. Training and policy development. We don't just install tools and walk away. We train your team on how to use AI effectively, ethically, and safely. We create written policies so you can prove compliance if regulators ever come asking. In short, it's like having your own AI innovation team but outsourced. Here's why this matters. Big firms are already experimenting with in-house AI innovation teams. They can afford the payroll. But with an outsourced AI department, smaller and mid-sized firms suddenly get access to the same level of expertise. That means you can compete and even outmaneuver bigger firms without the cost. This is how David beats Goliath in the AI era. Agility, not size, becomes the advantage. The real risk isn't that AI will replace lawyers. The real risk is that firms that embrace AI with compliance and visibility built in will replace the firms that don't. And the longer you wait, the harder it will be to catch up. This is exactly what we do at Lex Wire. We act as your outsourced AI department, your fractional AI practice management partner. We combine visibility optimization, compliance safeguards, workflow automation, and training into one solution. You get the expertise of an entire department without the cost of building it in-house. For firms that want to stay competitive without taking on massive payroll, this is the smartest way forward. So here's the next step. Book a discovery call with Lex Wire. The link is in the description. We'll show you how an outsourced AI department can transform your visibility, protect your compliance, and streamline your operations. Because in the AI era, the firms that act first don't just save money, they set the standard for everyone else.